You want to ride?
Dog walking. Come over here.
Dog walking. Come on, don't be an ass. Come on,
get in
let's
the car
take it.
already.
It's cold out here.
Hey, yeah, that's mine.
Later. We don't want you to shoot your foot off now, do we?
You killed him. You killed Manny. And you killed him for nothing. What?
Come on. There you go. Watch your head. He's drinking himself to death. We're doing him a favor.
Smart. That's what I would have done if I were...